Hello, today I want to show you how to make scenes, interior scenes, animation from image with AI. We can transfer from scene 1 to scene 2 and add more people. Just the clean AI. Okay, first I will two scenes into here. Scene 1. Okay, you need to log in to use this AI. You can log in with Google account. This means you will make a video transfer from image 1 to image to scenes image 2. Okay, now you can create a room. A create room here is the rest girl walk outside into the interior scenes and enjoy the space. Okay, click on generate button. Wait a minute. Here is the result. Wow. But the girl from nowhere. Okay, you can try with the girl walk from the right etc. Okay, I will end this video here. Bye, see you again.